Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about geography for class 6th. Chapter number 6, continents and oceans. It is part 2. So in part 1 we have learnt, so part 1, what is continents and what is oceans. Continents means they are huge, they are covered, the earth covers the land masses. Earth covers the huge land masses is known as continents, and earth covers its surface water bodies. This is known as oceans. So also we learnt in previous class about continents. There are 7 continents. So that continents are Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. They are 7 continents. But in these 7 continents, so we will learn 3 continents only. Asia, about Asia we will learn in previous class, and also we will learn second continent Africa. Okay, and third continent is North America. So today we are going to discuss about South America. South America. South America, it is fifth populous continent. It is 5th populous continent. South America, it is a most populous 5th continent, and also it is 4th largest continent. Okay, and it is connected to North America. It is connected to North America. Okay, and also see here, it is mainly lie in southern hemisphere, and the western hemisphere, and the western hemisphere. Okay, and also it is lie in this and bound by Pacific Ocean in the west. It is lie in Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the east. Okay, the Atlantic Ocean in the east. It is about South America. South America. So South America, it is the 5th most populous continent, and it is the 4th largest continent, and it is connected to North America. This South America continent is connected to North America continent, and mainly it is lie in southern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, and it is a lie the boundary of, it is a bounded by, okay, Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean in the east. It is about South America. So next continent, Antarctica. Next continent, Antarctica. Okay, this Antarctica is fifth largest continent. It is fifth largest continent. So fourth largest is South America, and here fifth largest continent is Antarctica. Okay, it is situated entirely south of the Arctic Circle, Antarctica Circle. It is situated entirely Antarctica Circle. Okay, and next see here, and is also surrounded by Southern Ocean. Surrounded by Southern Ocean. Okay, and also see here almost 98% Antarctica covered with thick ice. 98% Antarctica covered with thick ice. It is covered with thick ice. Okay, and it is coldest, driest and windiest continent. Which type of continent? It is a coldest, driest and windiest continent. Okay, and see here it is residence of penguins. Penguins residence we are seeing here, and also other seals. Okay, whales we are seeing here, we found here in the Antarctica continent. So Antarctica continent is the fifth largest continent, and it is situated entirely in Antarctica Circle. It is surrounded by Southern Ocean. Antarctica continent, it is surrounded by which ocean? Southern Ocean. And 98% Antarctica covered with thick ice. So it is coldest and driest and windiest continent. And penguins residence we are seeing here, and other seals, whales, other penguins also we are found here in Antarctica continent. Okay. So next continent is Europe. Next continent, which continent? This is Europe. Okay, Europe is the sixth largest continent and third most populous continent. It is sixth largest continent and third most populous continent. Also it is industrialization continent. Industrialization. It is industrialization continent. Okay, it is separated by Asia in the east. See here, it is separated by Asia in the east. Okay, and the Ural Mountains, the Ural rivers, and the Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea and the Caucasus Mountains. Caucasus Mountains. Okay, see here, and the Black Sea in the southeast. Black Sea in the southeast. Okay, see here, and also we are seeing here the Arctic Ocean lies to the north. Arctic Ocean lies in north. Okay, and the Atlantic Ocean lies in, Arctic Ocean lies in north and the Atlantic Ocean west. Atlantic Ocean in west, and the Mediterranean Ocean in the east, in the south of Europe. South of Europe. Okay, it is a trading center to, it is a Asia to Europe. And also see, we are seeing here Russia, it is the biggest city in the Europe continent. Russia is the largest country in this area, and Vatican City, it is the smallest country. It is in Rome. Okay, it is about Europe continent. Europe continent is the 6th largest continent and also 3rd most populous continent. It is an industrialization continent separated by Asia in the east and the Ural mountains and the Ural rivers and the Caspian Sea, the Caucasus mountains and the Black Sea in the southeast, Arctic Ocean in the north and Atlantic Ocean in the west and Mediterranean Sea in the south. Okay, it is separated by Europe continent. And also we are seeing here Russia, it is the largest country in this area, in this Europe continent, and the smallest country, it is a Vatican City. We are calling that Vatican City. Okay, it is in Rome. It is about Europe country. And last continent, Australia. So last continent is Australia or Oceania. Australia or Oceania. It is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, and also it is known as Australasia. New Zealand is known as Australasia. See here, New Zealand is known as Australasia. New Zealand is known as Australasia. Okay, and some neighboring island we are seeing here. That neighboring island are Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. It is an island, and Melanesia. We are seeing here, and Micronesia. Okay, and Polynesia. These are the neighboring island. Okay, and Australia lies in southern hemisphere. It is lies in southern hemisphere. Okay, it is a Australia continent. It is again islands. Okay, Australasia or Oceania. It is a last continent. Also, it is smallest continent. New Zealand is known as Australasia. Papua New Guinea, Melanesia, Micronesia and Polynesia. These are the neighboring islands connected to this continent, Australia continent. And also South Australia continent lies in southern hemisphere. It is lies in southern hemisphere. Okay. Here continents are, 7 continents are completed. Okay, let us now I talk about oceans. Oceans. There are 5 oceans. So first one, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. And third one, the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And next, Antarctica Ocean. Antarctica Ocean. And last one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. There are 5 ocean, Pacific Ocean, second one Atlantic Ocean, and third one Indian Ocean, fourth one Antarctica Ocean, and fifth one Arctic Ocean. So this one can explain one by one. So first let us talk about first ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, it is largest and deepest ocean. It is largest and deepest ocean, and it covers about 1/3 part of water. So let us first talk about oceans. Oceans means what? What is ocean? Okay, so this earth is covered, okay, 3/4, 1/3 part is covered by water. Okay, the earth is covered, 1/3 part is covered by water. So we called earth is called blue planet. Okay, and see here the 71%, more than 71% earth's surface is covered the water. 71% earth is covers the water, it surrounds the water. Okay, and oceans contain 97%. All these 5 oceans covered in 97% on the earth's water. Oceans are play very important role in water cycle. Okay, water cycle by contributing the major amount of water collected in clouds. It is a precipitation, collected water vapor into atmosphere. Water vapor into clouds, it causes precipitation. So it collect the water, more major water collected to the cloud. It is a precipitation. Okay, and some largest seas we are seeing here. Some largest seas, that is South China Sea. South China Sea, next Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea we are seeing here. It is about ocean. So afterwards let us talk about Pacific Ocean. So what is Pacific Ocean? It is the first ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean, and it is 1/3 part of water covers the earth's surface. This ocean is 1/3 part of water is covered, and it is triangular in shape. Triangular shape. This ocean is triangular in shape. This like. Okay. And it is the deepest part of earth crust. Deepest. It is the deepest part of earth's crust. Earth's crust. is known as Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench. Okay, Mariana Trench it is the deepest part of Earth's crust. We call it Mariana Trench, and also it is bordered by Pacific Ring of Fire. It is bordered by Pacific Ring of Fire. It is bordered. Okay, this like bordered by Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay, and next here fold mountains we are seeing here, fold mountains. Okay, this is about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is largest and deepest ocean, and 1/3 part of water covers the Earth's surface, and it is triangular in shape, and the deepest part of Earth is called Mariana Trench, and bordered some like that Pacific Ring of Fire. We are calling that Pacific Ring of Fire. It is about Pacific Ocean. And next ocean, second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. It is second largest ocean. Second largest ocean. Okay, and this shape is S. How it is the shape? This S shape, and it is also known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Also known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Okay, and see here it is located in the floor, and transatlantic routes are in the busiest. It is a trade transportation. This ocean is used for trade transportation. Okay, it is about Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The shape of Atlantic Ocean is S shape, and also it is known as, we are calling that Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and it is a trade, we are using that trade transportation. Okay, and it is a Atlantic Ocean. And next ocean is the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Okay, it is third largest ocean. It is third largest ocean. It is roughly, this shape is triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. Okay, and also it is deep of 4,000 meters deepest. 4,000 meters it is deepest. Okay, and also see here it is named after the India historically provided importance of routes. In historically it is a route of, it is a trade center of Asia and Europe. Okay, trade and transportation they are using Asia and Europe countries. It is about Indian Ocean. And next, Antarctica Ocean. Antarctica Ocean. Okay, and it is the fourth largest ocean. Fourth largest ocean. Antarctica Ocean is the fourth largest ocean. It is also, we are calling that Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. Antarctica Ocean is also, we are calling Southern Ocean. It is formed by merging of southern extensions. Okay, Atlantica and Pacific Oceans. It lies in entirely southern hemisphere. lies in southern hemisphere. Okay, it is about Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is the fourth largest ocean, and it is, we are calling, it is also known as Southern Ocean. Okay, and lies in, Antarctic Ocean lies in Southern Hemisphere. And last ocean is Arctic Ocean. Last ocean is what? Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is a fifth ocean. Okay, it is a smallest ocean. Smallest ocean. It is a fifth ocean, but it is a smallest ocean. It lies in Arctic Circle. Lies in Arctic Circle. Okay. It is shadowed by the oceans. It is a frozen, almost part is a frozen part in whole year. Okay, throughout the year it is a frozen. The north pole of earth is located here. North pole is located here in this Arctic Ocean. Okay, it is Arctic Ocean is a fifth ocean. It is the smallest ocean also, and Arctic Ocean lies Arctic Circle, and it is a frozen. It is some parts of frozen in throughout the year, and it is located. Arctic Ocean is located North Pole. Okay, so it is about oceans. There are 5 oceans also completed and 7 continents also completed here. Totally lesson completed here. Okay. So next class I am continuing. Next chapter I am taking next class. Thank you.